to Grady, son. I can't believe that. I can't believe that Mark tricked you into doing the Sanchez. Hey, you like it?
It's okay.
He said better.
I've had better.
Mark tricked her. I can't
Dermot, there
believe
was a category, 1 through 5.
Did you really make Mark trick your wife to take the Granny Sanchez? Alright. But it is different one. That's a different Granny Sanchez. You guys okay? Yeah. Alright, don't worry. I bet they mean the same.
Boy, shocked at the language.
You're gonna have to watch yourself tonight, man. Let me get you 2 straws. You ready for the Bob Marley now? Yeah, you promised me. Alright, you know what?
okay.
To make it easier, I'm gonna take one with you guys. No, I'm not kidding. I'm telling the truth. I'm gonna take one.